Guys, I just got this new NERF Doomlands Vagabond gun, and I really like it. I'm just about to unbox this. It's a 6-star Rhode Island barrel, and it just moves around like this. Wow. Well, it's cool. And it's Doomlands, and there's a story on the back about this guy, and there's like a little, oh my god, it's on fire. Oh, this guy is like, he has a mohawk. Get the other gun. Oh my god, there's monsters everywhere. Okay, now we're gonna start unboxing this in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so we got this. Okay, let's just cut this open. 1 cut. And 2 cut. 3 cut. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got the good package. So let's see what we hear. Okay, so we need to just cut this, pull this apart. Oh, I missed one. This is a good package. I'm not gonna really excited because I just got this gun yesterday. Okay, let's see how it goes. Ooh, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna reload the bullets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bullets, remember. 5, and last one, 6. Okay, we're ready. Okay, now let's gonna practice this. Let's see what we got here. Piano, you're going down. Dude. Okay, my opinion about this gun is it doesn't work as good as in my modulus. The first time I jammed, the second time it was okay. Oh, let's go see it is. Let's see if I can test this out.
Delivery for Rhodes?
I have delivery for you. Actually, this works really good.